So I did find these rubber, I don't know if you want to call them rubber guards on the edge of this side of the handle, but on this side I didn't find any rubber guards. And also this seems to have some kind of a lining this side of the handle, whereas this side just has this bare metal. But in either case, it looks like I was able to get the wires on the side shoved in, and so I should be able to just force, hopefully this can just slide in and these holes would line up. So I'm gonna try that. Next, that's what it looks like thus far.